Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at phrasal verbs in everyday natural conversation. And more importantly, we are looking at phrasal verbs that have more than one meaning, so the tricky ones. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you will have them mastered. Let's get started. The phrasal verb carry on can mean to continue. Hey Sarah, how's the report coming along? Oh, I had to stop for a while, but I'll carry on this afternoon. Great, let me know if you need any help. But carry on can also have a very different meaning. I heard that Peter from the second floor, the IT manager, was caught carrying on with his assistant. No way. Peter and Lucy? That's going to be a huge scandal. And sometimes carry on can mean to behave badly. My kids were carrying on all morning. Screaming, running around, it was total chaos. I know the feeling. Mine threw a tantrum in the supermarket yesterday. I thought we'd never make it out alive. Honestly, some days it feels like I'm running a circus. At the airport, carry on means a small bag that you take on board with you. I hope my suitcase isn't too big for carry on. I really don't want to check it in. Let's see. It looks a bit big. I always try to pack light, but somehow I end up bringing too much. I know what you mean. I usually just bring this backpack as carry-on. That way I don't have to worry about size. Smart. Next time I'll do the same. And finally, carry on can mean to act as if nothing happened. So after our huge argument on Sunday, he just carried on as if nothing had happened. That's so weird. He could have at least apologized. Now let's look at the phrasal verb take off. As most of you probably already know, an airplane takes off. I can't believe our flight was delayed again. We've been sitting here for hours. I know. And I'm beginning to get hungry. Same. The sooner we take off, the sooner we'll be on a beach with a cocktail. Now that's motivation to be patient. But it can also mean to remove clothing. Oh, so hot in here. I'm gonna take off my coat. Yeah, good idea. You're wearing 3 layers. And take off can mean to leave quickly. Officer, I don't know what to tell you. The thieves took off as soon as they heard the alarm. Yeah, I saw them too, officer. They jumped into a car and sped away. We didn't see their faces. And of course, take off can also mean to become successful. Have you seen our new product launch? Sales have really taken off. I did. What a launch. Congrats. We should celebrate. Drinks are on me on Friday. Moving on to the phrasal verb break down, which can mean when something stops working. My car just broke down in the car park. Oh no, do you need me to call a tow truck? No thanks. My friend is coming to help. I might need a lift to work tomorrow though. But breakdown can also mean something emotional. When she heard the bad news, she just broke down and started crying. Oh, poor thing. I'll call her tomorrow and see how she is. And finally, it can mean to separate something into smaller parts to make it easier to understand, like I'm doing in this video. Now, our sales report for this quarter looks complicated, but let's break down the numbers. That would help. I'm a bit lost. Okay, first we'll break down revenue by region, then by product category. That way we can see which areas perform best. Now let's look at put off, which can mean to delay something. Are we still having a meeting at 3 p.m? No, the boss put it off until tomorrow. Oh good, that gives me more time to prepare. But put off can also mean something completely different. Do you want to try this French cheese? No way, the smell really puts me off. Fair enough, more for me. Now here's a tricky one. To run into can mean to meet someone by chance. You won't believe it. I ran into Jack at the supermarket. No way. How is he? He seemed well. I was surprised to see him back. But it can also mean something difficult. Okay, how's the project going? We ran into some technical issues, but we're working on it. Okay, let me know if you need help. Okay, keep going, you're doing well. Now let's look at the phrasal verb to turn up. It can mean to arrive. Did Layla turn up at the party last night? Yeah, she came late, but she made it. Typical Layla, she's always late. But turn up can also be about volume. I can't hear the TV. Can you please turn it up? Sure. Let's move on to the phrasal verb get over. To get over something can mean to recover emotionally. It's been months, but I still haven't gotten over my ex-boyfriend. You will. Just give it time. However, get over can also mean something more literal. To complete the obstacle course, you need to get over that wall. It looks very high. I'll do my best. This lesson will really help you understand spoken English. Understanding phrasal verbs is essential to understanding everyday natural English. Natives use them a lot. Don't forget, however, that context is always key. To really remember everything we have covered today, try writing your own sentences using all of the meanings for each phrasal verb. And let me know in the comments below which phrasal verb surprised you the most. As always, I absolutely love hearing from you. If you have found this lesson useful and you would like to support me and see my channel take off, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that we can do this every week. If you want to keep learning with me today, then please click on the next video. I'll see you there.